that right side, but Darren Buckley, it was that not only won it back, but found the eye of the needle with a pass. And the Zulu Kingdom legends open the scoring in the best way possible. Wayward pass, great movement. He waited and waited to Buckley. Passed it just in the nick of time. Flag stays down. Kept his composure. The prize moon. And it's the men from the Kingdom of the Zulu take the lead here. Can they find that equalizer? The cut back! Oh, it's off the underside of the bar. Oh, my daughter. Well, it's the Sulunyani. He's had two glorious opportunities, and it just won't go in for him. Lovely play on the left. And it's got goal written all over it. And in the end, it's just a sound for Kaizer Chiefs. So close, but yet so far. Tusopala, perfect with the cutback. It's the second time he set it up beautifully from the left side. Well, penalty is the Aqualia from the referee. He's saying there's forces at work. From the penalty spot, there's your equalizer. No denying, Cyril Nzama. And finally, Chiefs get the equalizer. Yeah, remember that celebration. And yes, they get that feeling in their bones once again, those out in the stands. They'll be hoping to get it a good number of times, not just today, but over the next 10 or so months. Cyril Nzama wearing the captain's armband. That's how you take a penalty. Global guess right, but was no denying a man who played for Kaizer Chiefs from 2000 till 2008.
Mais quelle belle la Charlotte Copas Hoya Charlotte Hoya Charlotte Copas Lekawana Lamkize Kena Rotan Kileo Arbone Waya Koyana Baya Tanya Letoa Abaya Tanya Letoa Doyanta Yaskopas Zulu Kingdom legends 1 Kaizer Chiefs not Hoya Chiefs season.
Now Kuzayo beaten here in what was an ankle cracker. Looked to go right, penalty went left. Couldn't make the adjustment in the end. So Shaba, what a game he had. Amongst the best in the field on the day. He looked like he could still play at the top level with what we've seen today. Couldn't get the beating of Ndlovu in normal time. No problems in getting the better of him from the penalty spot. So, good start here for both sides in the way of this penalty shootout. Both Ndlovu and Brilliant Kuzwayo beaten by well-taken penalties from Kaizer first and Shaba in making it 1-1.
Hoya Chalo, KwaZulu Natal, Kibone Bagotan Chalo, Tagoya Bobedi. Kibone Bagotan Chalo, Tagoya Bobedi, Copas, KwaZulu Natal. Lebella Chalo, Tando Ise Kuboni, Keno Yanko Kilinyo. Tando Ise Kuboni, Keno Yanko Kilinyo. Lebagana Chalo, Le Brilliant Kuzwayo. Yolena Tomo Profensinya KwaZulu Natal, Fela Territory Tabigala Chiefs, Abata Kino, Ebita Kota. Fela, Ona Tamigile Bonte, Ona Rakile Kabotali, Atoka Lesero. Lekawana La Tando Ise Kuboni. Chiefs, Barota, Tago, Yabone Abobedi. Banaletono, Yakodira Chalo, 2-1. Sizwe.
Kuzwayo didn't have to make the save, but Kuzwayo celebrates in the hope that after Lithuania is done and dusted, Chiefs will continue to celebrate. 3 penalties apiece, keep in mind here. Shaba had no problem in getting things started for Kaizer Chiefs. He was outstanding. In off the bench was equally as outstanding, and from the spot buries it beyond Lovia as Kaizer Chiefs grab the lead. And as a celebration we grew so used to over the years from Lithuania. He's another that looks as though he could still step up with the very best of them and strut his stuff at a pretty high level. I'll be hoping the good times are back. He's still celebrating his goal. Is Cyril Nzama. Ziawa.
Aribone Javed Zwane Kenya Rotanjalo Tagoya Kopasa KwaZulu Natal. Waya Javed Abakita Bayatanya Lilitoa. Abayatanya Lilitoa Pela Chiefs Banali Siamelo. Bayagota Kila Wade Aboraro. Media Likalikana Javed Zwane. Anosa Kilente Karalemogara Vasisi Banali. Kaizer Bale Moko Toneti Hotel Wakahone. Skopa se Tatabatamike ba Bamontatila Compiano. Hoya Jalo Kaizer Chiefs. Hoya Justa Tata.
Had a 100% record up to this point. That with a chance to settle it. Up against Lovu. It's just at that bottom corner. And it's the Kaizer Chiefs legends that get the better of the Zulu Kingdom legends with a 3-2 scoreline. Perfect penalties from Shabalala, Lithuaniani, and Lada, and Lucas Khatebe. With plenty of reason to smile here. And an enjoyable start to what they'll be hoping is a day that sets the tone for the rest of the season in as far as the Glamour Boys of Zanzibar football. Well, the major show, the men that have a showdown later on worth the eyes of the continent watching every step of the way. After it ended with a 1-1 scoreline, it's Kaizer Chiefs that have the beating of Zulu Kingdom legends with a penalty scoreline of 3-2. Lada kept his composure, and in the end, no problems then in handing the Chiefs legends the win, and they'll hope to keep the good times rolling here this afternoon, and hope the Chiefs can do likewise in their efforts against the men from Ghana later on in the day.
Radio Blue.